everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. So happy you're here because I have the summer Curateur we're going to dig into. Love this box by Rachel Zoe, so it's going to be a fun one. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have Wyatt here, who's my white puppy dog. Xena has decided to take the day off, and I don't know where Harvey is. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. All right, so Curateur is, as I mentioned, by Rachel Zoe. She does a seasonal box, which is always amazing. And I love her boxes. Right inside, this is what you see. And she has a whole website, shopping, all the things. And this is the summer curation. So on this side, it's going to tell me all about my items. Some of them you had an option to select. Some you did not. You just automatically get them. But I did have a couple here where I got to choose between two pieces of jewelry or between two different amazing towels. So let's dig in. So first up, what have we got here? Something from Symbiosis, London. And this is the Shield and Glow set that retails for $276. Wow. So this is hyaluronic acid and tocopherol Daily Shield Mattifying Moisture. And then I have the Bee Venom and Niacinamide Delight Radiance Restoring Facial Serum. And she says, this skincare brand has been one of my favorite new discoveries. I selected this duo of products because they help fight common summer skin issues like dryness and sun exposure and help you feel more confident on makeup-free days. All right. Well, I'm glad to be able to try it out in this way as opposed to buying it outright. All right. So next up, something from Lily Sadogi, and this is earrings. So I had the choice between the mother of pearl water flower button earrings. Comes in this nice little baggie. I have the nice little wrapping, and here were my choices between these little flower earrings or the little pearls. I chose the pearls. How cute are those? I think they'll be perfect, not too big, not too small, and just add a little bit of, I don't know, drama, elevation to any look. So I thought those were super cute. What do you think? Yeah, I really like those. The hoop earrings retail for $125. The mother of pearl wallflower button earrings retail for $145, and she says, of course I had to include a jewelry option with a little drama and sparkle. I believe you can never have enough hoops, and these are uniquely set in pearls, which are always on trend and work with anything you wear. These major floral button earrings make the perfect statement. They frame the face beautifully and glam up anything from a sundress to a jeans and a t-shirt. So tell me which pair you picked. So next up is the other choice item, which is the Rachel Miriam Positano towel, which retails for $128, and you could get sea or sunset, so I obviously went with sea. Stuff everywhere now. Check this out. So it says if you want to look glamorous at the beach or pool, you need something more elevated than a typical towel. This one gives me the Italian summer feels, and I love how it's so lightweight that you can truly take it anywhere to use as a wrap or to lay on and tan or to dry off in the ocean. So this one is big. It's pretty big. Let me get to half. So this is half of it. So it's double this size. Big, right? I love a big towel in the summer. And this one packs up really nicely, so you can roll it up and put it in your beach bag or go bag and you're set. So I love that. Next up, all right, I love a great tumbler, and that's what's here. So this is the Rachel Miriam Dream Big Tumbler, retail $48, and she says, I am the queen of beverages. So of course I had to include a reusable tumbler for this curation. We chose my favorite color, The perfect shade of gold so that it becomes a chic accessory when you're at the beach, pool, or just on the go. I love a tumbler. I drink out of one all day long at my desk. I love this. Is this not fun? So fun with the gold. And it does look like it's insulated, so hopefully it keeps everything really, really cold. Has the fun lid and comes with a straw, which I do use a straw. So I love that she covered all the bases with this. Check this out. So fun, right? Okay, I'm in love with that. Love it. And we have one more thing. One more. And of course, Rachel almost always puts in a bag for the season. I like this one as it looks like it is a getaway bag, which you could use any time of year. But there seem to be more weekend getaways in the summer months, right? Check out the size of this. We can put Wyatt in this. It's so big. I think Wyatt and Zena both would fit. So this is called the Rachel Zoe X Curateur Amalfi Weekender. It retails for $168. She said, my team and I were meticulous about creating the perfect weekender to take anywhere this summer. The light neutral ivory will accentuate all of your travel looks flawlessly. So it has this fun pocket here, and it is huge. It has a shoulder strap, like she thought of everything. It is lined. You see that? It's lined, completely lined. It's lightweight, pockets on the inside. Oh, I love this. Check out the size of this. And here's where you hook it for the shoulder bag. That is huge, right? Let's see how, I'll show you. Wyatt doesn't like to get in bags, but we're going to put him in so I can show you how big this thing is. You're okay, buddy. Show them how big the bag is. There you go. Check that out. Check that out. Wyatt still has room. There is still room to put more stuff in here. So Harvey's out here. If he was up to it, I would put him in there with Wyatt, but that probably wouldn't work so well. So I'm enjoying this. What do you think, Wyatt? Do you like that? This is a great bag. So if you throw your towel in there, you're ready for the beach. Your tumbler, you're ready. And then, of course, your skin products and my amazing earrings. I think I'm all set for a little summer getaway. What do you guys think? So I've got everything ready to go. I love it. I always love Rachel's though. I have so much fun with her curations. Okay, so in case you'd like to give Curateur a try, I will put my link down below for you. It is $125 a season, so every quarter. If you buy it all at once, it would be $450 and you save $50 off of it. But usually everything that comes in the bag is a $400 plus value for your $125, or be a little bit less than that if you do the annual. I do the annual. I want to hear what you think, so let me know. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite item was or what you thought of this curation. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and I will catch you next video. Bye, everybody.